Okay, we're going to have a look at just another couple of tools. In particular, we're looking at these contour tools. I'm just going to draw a random shape. So just sort of drawing it anywhere that I feel, and then right click to finish. Now, so I've got a few tools here. This one is drawing it's like an offset line, so I'm going to select on that, and it says draw a contour space of 5 mil of the toolpath, and that's fine, we want that. So then we just have to select on the object, and it's drawn it on the outside. You can actually select and move your mouse towards the inside, and it will do it as well. You can keep drawing those contour lines in. You don't actually select on the line yourself, you select on the outside line, and it can draw these contours. We can also, if we just had a straight line here, just normal straight line, we can use these other contour tools to do other cool sort of stuff. We can select this one, which is just to draw a parallel line. If you want it 5 mil away, we just select on that side of the line, and you can see that it continues to do 5 mil lines over and over and over again. So they're quite powerful tools. Let's look at this tool here. This is your shading tool, your boundary tool, and you can see it's set here to red. You can change that to whatever you want. If you wanted it yellow, and then OK. And we're going to do something a bit interesting here. We're going to select this line here. It says, are there any islands? We say yes, there is an island, and the island is just here. Are there any more islands? We say no. And you can see it's just shaded around that outside, and this inside contour is the island. Let's change again. I'm just going to select on this again, right click on that tool, and then I'm going to change this to red. We can do this again. So yes, we're going to select on this line. Are there any islands? We're going to say yes, the island is just here. And are there any more islands? We say no, there's no islands, and it's created that contour shading. Right, that's the end of this tutorial.